mean, we have just read what has been written, but is there anything that probably should have been said and that hasn't been? I think that's our...
I thought that that's what we were discussing. That's why we were moving paragraph.
We didn't discuss that part, he just read.
Yeah. Because we didn't stop him. If we disagreed, we were supposed to stop him. So it meant that as he was reading, we were agreeing with him.
Remember, what we've not written the air pollution. It's not here. It's not in this document. So let's look for where air pollution.
So where can we put it?
I think that
the feeling I have,
maybe she's taking note of that too.
Yeah, that the impression I have is that you cannot put this is a summary, it's a generalization of all the issues. Now it's a declaration really, and in a declaration you cannot have all the details.
You are very correct. That this one is worship. That's our major problem. It's a problem. In fact, it's before the house.
Okay, so I'm going to request that you read through what this declaration is saying and make a suggestion as what we should suggest to the drafters where it can be input. Meanwhile, the rest of us, let's move to the last point, the last issue. Because I can see we are running out of time and we will not be able to finish it. What the last point is to come up with suggestions for a gender-responsive legislative agenda, the aid of climate change and adaptation and risk. Disaster.
Madam Chair. I think, let me just observe. We are here as a continent and we are here as one. We are sharing our problems as one.